Video marketing has been on the rise over the past few years, growing ever more popular and accessible for brands. And while popular sites such as Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even your own website are great places to invest, YouTube remains the giant in the space, with individuals spending a billion hours each day watching videos on this platform. Often referred to as the world's second largest search engine, YouTube can help your content be found quickly and engaged with thoroughly, if you know a few tricks. Here are effective ways you can grow your YouTube channel.
So let's get started with today's topic, how to find a perfect keyword for YouTube video. First thing is, why we need keyword research for YouTube video. It's simple, video marketing is too expensive to not be as strategic as possible about what you're creating and how you're distributing it. Keyword research will make it easier for your audience to find you, and getting them to find you means more opportunities for getting more views. So follow these 3 steps to find a perfect keyword for your videos. First step. Find untapped video keywords. When it comes to YouTube video, keyword research is super important. Choose the right keywords. Your videos rocket to the top of YouTube. Choose the wrong keywords. Your videos get buried in the search results. First, create a list of seed keywords. Seed keywords are terms that describe super broad topics. For example, if you were in the digital marketing space, your seed keywords would be things like social media, LinkedIn marketing, Facebook page, content marketing. And if you ran a fitness site, your seed keyword list would look like this: fat loss, kettlebell workout, paleo diet, cardio workout. Find your topic-related seed keyword. These are broad topics that you can create videos about. Now, to be clear, you're not going to optimize your videos around any of these terms, they're too competitive. But a list of seed keywords is super helpful for the next step. Pop your seed keywords into YouTube search. Now it's time to turn a seed keyword into dozens of long-tail keywords. How? YouTube suggest. This works just like Google. Pop a seed keyword into YouTube and check out the keywords that YouTube suggests. After doing these at the point, you should have a bunch of long-tail keywords. Question is, which keywords should you pick? That's what step number 3 is all about. Finally, it's time for YouTube competition analysis. Just like with Google, you want to optimize your videos around keywords that 1. Get lots of searches and 2. Aren't super competitive. How do you find these magical keywords? An awesome Chrome extension called TubeBuddy. This tool shows you stats for each keyword right in the search results. That way, you know whether or not a keyword is too competitive before you make your video. Pretty cool. Okay, so you found a keyword. Nice. Now it's time for the fun stuff. Creating your video.